My video will help you to remove the ransomware called InterServer. InterServer is a new ransomware targeting many Windows computers all over the world today. InterServer ransomware is able to damage the files. Of course, my video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting it. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open the files easily without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. So very soon it encrypts files and it damages the files. So very soon it is impossible to open the files. Well, at least in my case, the ransomware appends this InterServer12 extension to the file names. It also reveals the ransom note, titled as ransomnote.html, where it tells the victims to pay a special ransom for a file restoration. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove the ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus, and I specifically recommend you to use the software called Combo Cleaner. So go to the page combocleaner.com, go to this place, download the software using the official website, install the program, and then once the application is successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will definitely help you to detect and remove this particular ransomware and get rid of all other threats which could still possibly stealthily remain on the system. Combo Cleaner will protect your files ahead of time from being damaged by any other ransomware samples in the future. So, as I said, use Combo Cleaner to both remove this InterServer ransomware and to protect your data ahead of time from any other ransomware attacks. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues, and definitely what is exceptionally valuable combo cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use combo cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.